In this video, we are going to see Class 5 Maths, Chapter 2, Shapes and Angles, Question and Answer. We are going to discuss question and answer. Question number 1. Look at the shape and answer. The angle marked in dash color is the biggest angle. Here in this pentagon, here you can see 5-sided shape. There are 5 angles. All the angles in the shape are equal only. Question number 2. Are the angles marked with yellow equal? Here you can find the yellow color angles. Is it equal? Yeah, the angles marked with yellow are equal. Are the angles marked with green equal? The angle marked with green are equal only. The angle marked with blue is also equal only. So all the angles in the pentagon are equal. Question number 3. 4 different angles are marked in 4 colors. Can you find other angles which are the same as the one marked in red? Mark them in red. Do this for the other colors also. Here you can see the angle marked in red color. Here you see in this pentagon the angle is marked red color. Now answer. Here you can find the red color angle. Here yellow. Likewise the first one. Here you can mark with green color. Here green. The second figure you can mark red, blue or black. All the angles marked in this color are same. Question number 1. Go around with your tester and draw here those things in which the tester opens like the letter L. You know, the tester is looking like a L shape. This is actually tester. Are you sure they are all right angles? Yes, tester you can use it for measuring the angles in the window. You can measure the angle, it makes a 90 degree. Now you can see, answer this window, it makes a 90 degree only. Angles, the door you can find 90 degree angles. The eraser you can find the 90 degree angles. Here the TV you can find the angle 90 degree. All the corners you can find 90 degree angles. Now question number 2. Look at the angles in the picture and fill the table. Now here you can find the scissor, the angle marked here. It is actually less than a right angle. So you can put the tick mark less than right angle. Here is the answer. Here it is acute angle actually, so less than 90 degree. Second one, here it is exactly 90 degree angle, so 90 degree you can put the tick mark. Again you can find 90 degree angles in the corner, so you can put the tick mark here 90 degree. Next you can find the angle more than 90 degree, obtuse angle more than 90 degree. So here also more than 90 degree, so you can put tick mark. This signal, here it is angle is 90 degree angle or more than 90 degree. It is actually more than 90 degree angle. So you can put the tick mark here, more than 90 degree. Suman made this picture with so many angles. You can find in this picture you can find many angles. Here we have marked the angles. Here acute angle. Here you can see the acute angle. Here obtuse angle. Here you can find obtuse angle. So here you can find the right angle. Here obtuse angle. More than 90 degree. It is acute angle. Less than 90 degree angle. So this picture completely covered with the angles only. Here you can find the 90 degree angle. Here you can find acute angle. So many angles are marked here in this picture. Write three names using straight lines and count the angles. So here you can write your name. For example, here Mayank. Number of right angles in this letter Mayank. How many right angles are there? Here you can find only one right angle in this side. Here one right angle. Number of angles more than right angle. More than right angle, nearly 8 angles are coming. Less than right angle, you can find 12 angles in the letter Mayank. So Mayank is to be written like this. Each letter you have to use straight line. So then it will form the angles. Here you can find the angles, here you can find the angle, here you can find the angle. Okay. So in that way you can count and write. Akash. Number of right angles, here you can find 5 right angles. In this letter 5 right angles. This H letter itself 1, 2, 3, 4 angles are there. Here 1, 5. 5 right angles, 4 more than right angle and 8 less than right angles. Kalam. Here also you can get 2 right angles. L we are having right angle. K here we are having right angle. Then 4 angles are more than right angle and 11 angles are more than right angle. Like that you can write your name and write the number of angles. Right angle, more than right angle, less than right angle. There are 2 slides in a park. Which slide has a larger angle? Which slide do you think is safer for the little boy? Why? Number 1. This is slide number 1. A2. Now you see, first one has a larger angle. As slide 1 has the larger angle and steeper than slide 2, there will be more chances for the boy to get hurt while sliding on slide number 1. Here the chances are more to get hurt because it is just a vertical position. But here you can find the second one sliding long. The slide 2 would be safer for the little boy than slide 1. This is safer. Shapes and towers. Look for triangles in the pictures below. Here you can find the shapes in the tower and shapes in the bridges. You can find the triangular shape. Here you can find the triangular shapes. The EB tower, you can see it is a triangular shape. Why particularly they are making the tower in triangular shape? Here the main reason behind that, the triangle are used in the tower and bridges so as to make them strong. So the triangular shape make them to become strong. That is what they are using, the triangular shape. We know that triangle is strongest polygon out of all other polygons. This is the strongest one, triangle. That is what they are using, triangular shape in the bridges and they are using in the tower, telephone tower or EB tower. However, in a triangle, the angles cannot change. Once the triangle is built, there won't be the angle never change it. That is what it is. It will be very strong. So the triangular shape they are using in bridges and towers. There are many times in a day when the hands of a clock make a right angle. Now you draw some more. Here the clock picture is given. Now we are going to make a right angle. Here 10, 5. Here you can make a right angle. 3 o'clock. It makes right angle. Then 6:15 it makes a right angle. Okay. So you have to draw a right angle in the clock faces. So we can draw many right angles. 6:15 you can draw. 9 o'clock you can draw. Right angles 9 o'clock. Like that you can complete. Write what kind of angle is made by the hands at this time. Write also the time. Now here you can see, first you write the time of the clock. 7:25. What type of angle is formed in between the hands of the clock is less than right angle. Second one, it is more than right angle. The time in the clock is 8:15. Time in the clock is 8:15. The time in the third clock is 9:10. So more than right angle. More than right angle. The clock 9:25. More than right angle is formed here between the hands of the clock. Here 10 o'clock. Less than right angle. Draw the hands of the clock when they make an angle which is less than a right angle. So we are going to make angle in the clock less than right angle. So we are going to draw acute angle. For example, first clock, here we have drawn 9:35, it is less than right angle. 2 o'clock, it is less than right angle. 3:05, it is less than right angle. Even 3:10 also less than right angle. Like that you can make many number of clock less than a right angle. Now can you guess how many degree is the angle which is half of a right angle? So 90 degree is called a right angle. Half of 90, that means 90 degree divided by 2. When you divide by 2, you will get 45 degree. So half of right angle is 45 degree. 1/3 of right angle. Second question, 1/3 of right angle means 90 degree divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. You put the 0 in the question. So 30 degree. So 30 degree, 1/3 of right angle. 2 times right angle, just you multiply. 2 90s are 180 degree. Thank you.